Hello. My name is Caroline, or my sign name is Caroline. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to learn numbers from 1 to 1000. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 or 100, 200 or 200, 300 or 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, and many other numbers. So thank you for watching today.